Business activity queries, often called BAQs, are query tools that display unique views of data on dashboards and the home page. But you may want to prevent some users from seeing sensitive data, particularly for system BAQs. This Knowledge on Demand course shows how you limit access to a system BAQ by changing the default security ID assigned to it. Only users with access through the selected security ID can display this query's data. Normally, you cannot change system BAQs, but you can change their security IDs. This gives you flexibility over who can access system BAQs. Security IDs allow and prevent access to specific programs and main menu items. Use menu maintenance to define which users have access through a specific security ID. To make it easier to assign security to BAQs, Epicor ERP already has security IDs for the different BAQ categories. To indicate which users have access through these BAQ security IDs, click New Security. Click the Security ID button. Once the security search window displays, enter BAQ in the Starting At field. 4 categories are available for executive, finance, manufacturing, and supply chain BAQs. For this example, select the Finance BAQ Security ID. You assign security through 2 methods, allow access or disallow access. When you use the disallow access method, groups and users you select cannot see the BAQ through this security code. Click the Disallow Access tab. To prevent access to everyone through this BAQ security ID, select the Disallow Access to All Groups Users checkbox. But to stop access to selected users and security groups, clear this checkbox. At first, everyone has access through this security ID. Click the double right arrow button. Scroll down the list and select Brian Johnson. Click the left arrow button. Brian Johnson displays on the Group's Users box. Continue adding more users and groups to this security ID, like Finance Only and Nancy Johnson. If you select someone by mistake, highlight the user or group on the Group's Users list. Click the right arrow button. When you finish moving users and groups, click Save. The users and groups in the selected group's users list now do not have access to BAQs through this security ID. Launch the Business Activity Query Designer. Click the Query ID button and select the Cash on Hand System Query. Notice the security ID. By default, this system BAQ uses the BAQ EXEC 1000 security ID, the setting for executive queries. Change this to your customized BAQ Financial Security ID. Click the Actions menu and select Change Security Code. On the Change Security Code window, click the Browse button. In the Security Search window, enter BAQ in the Starting At field and click Search. Select the Finance BAQ Security ID and click OK. You return to the Change Security Code window. Click OK again. After you click Save, this system BAQ links to the selected security ID. Only users and groups with access through this security ID can view this query's results on dashboards and home pages. And that's what you need to do. Thanks for watching.